Question, where would you bury something that you don't want people to find?
On the second page of Google?
Right. In fact, 85% of all people that do searches never scroll past the first page.
That means you can't afford to be ranking on the second, third, or fourth page of Google, ever.
So how do you get found? How do you get to that front page?
A new website? SEO?
Keyword? Social media posts?
What's the right answer?
The real problem is that for every expert you ask, you get a different answer. Whether it be your IT guy, your web company, your kids, your ad agency, you're always going to get a different answer. So you really have nowhere to get unbiased information.
That's why you need to come to the seminar at our upcoming Design-2Part show.
That's right, Rob.
I'm always right. I'm Rob. I went to Cornell.
Now we could share with you what works and what doesn't.
And when to use it. People always say to us, God, your seminar seems to change all the time. Well, guess what? The internet changes like on a weekly basis. Things are changing, and what's great is we're the two guys out there finding out what's changing in manufacturing, and we take advantage of it, advertising your manufacturing company on all these social channels so you could get found before the other guy.
So register for our seminar. It's always Thursday morning. It'll be at 8 o'clock. We have an hour before the show. And we're going to share with you all the secrets of the internet. So if you want to learn about keywords, SEO,
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you come, you learn.
Admission is free.
$0?
$0. And it's jam-packed.
Action-packed, jam-packed.
With informative information on
Wait a
how
minute.
you...
Can information be informative?
It's jam-packed with information on how you can market your job shop and not waste money.
It'll be informative and information. You should come.
There you go. Good job.